This box, ah! This box over here has all my 2024 makeup favorites. And because I don't believe in makeup gatekeeping, I'm gonna share them all with you today. It's the end of the year, and I can't believe it. Okay, I still have my fall decor around. Maybe that's what I should do after I should put up my Christmas tree. Are you guys put up Christmas tree as soon as Halloween is over? Or are you the kind of people that put it during Thanksgiving? I kind of like the idea of enjoying the fall decor. What about you guys? Let me know. I have my blue headband. Let me put my hair back. So the goal for this video is to talk about the makeup that I found and that I bought in 2024. Having said that, I will start with an exception. This is a primer that I found. I want to say 2022, 2023. I can't remember. All I remember is that the first time I bought this, it was purple. And then I had a mini heart attack when I couldn't find the purple because they discontinued it and only sold the green. That's how long I've been buying this. It used to be another color. So it's not an official part of the list, but it's an honorable mention. It has salicylic acid. If you struggle with acne like I do, this is pretty good. I'll try to look the prices of the items that I don't remember how much they are because I don't remember how much this is. It should be like $8 maybe. Yeah, I think I paid $8 for this. The official first item of our list is the foundation. And I have these Catrice HD liquid coverage foundation on the shade 32 nude beige. I tried to clean it, but it ends up dirty anyway. There are lots of foundations that claim to be up to 24 hours. And I don't think this one lasts up to 24 hours, but I can tell you that it lasts my 10-hour shifts. There you go. That's my review. I was browsing Amazon as one does, and I found this foundation. I remember the price because it was definitely what made me buy it. It was $10. And I don't know, beginner's luck, I'm not sure. I found a really good match. I only bought one bottle so far. I need to buy another one because it's coming to an end, our relationship, but it's a pretty good match, I would say. One layer, we'll apply one more layer just for the sake of the video. I usually don't, but I'll do it for the video. It'll take a lot for me to switch this. Just saying. Next one is the concealer. Sometimes I think we overlook OG products of big brands because this guy over here, I don't know how many times I've walked by this and did not pay it any attention, okay? Because, it's just always in stock. I find it everywhere. Walmart, Target, CVS, Walgreens, you name it, they have this guy. Which, honestly, it's a good seller. I should have seen this from the other perspective and not as a bad thing. It's a new purchase. I have not had it for that long, but I can tell you that I've been using it quite a lot. Why, you ask? I wear glasses, okay? Which means that I don't want a lot of makeup in this area over here because it's a nightmare. It is absolutely destroyed by the end of my shift and during my shift, okay? I'm talking about my work because that's where I wear my makeup for the longest. I'll use it as an example. Oh my God, to have to refresh my makeup during my work? No, not happening, okay? My break is my break. I'm not refreshing my makeup during that time. I want to use my brain during my breaks. I know you understand that. With that being said, this guy here is a very lightweight concealer. What does that mean? It means it does not pack a punch. When I apply it, it feels very light, doesn't give a lot of coverage, but it still gives me some coverage. But it can be argued that it didn't do a lot, and it would be a correct argument. Still like it though. It is on the pricier side for something that doesn't deliver much, but because I don't use it a lot, this will last me for a very long time. Cost and time that I'll have this and how often I have to buy this and replace the item, I think it balances it out. I don't have a contour that is 2024 specific, so I'll skip that, which is fine because I do have a bronzer. And when I do a bronzer, I don't do contour. When I do contour, I don't do bronzer because I think it's just too much on my face. It looks weird. So for today's video, we are doing bronzer. I have this ColourPop matte bronzer on the shade Silver Strand Beach. I don't think you can see on the camera, but it's very powdery, and every time that I use it, it gets very powdery. That's the one downside to this, but I still quite like it. And it's not harsh enough that I feel like I need to be advanced level to use it, if that makes sense. I think we can all agree that 2024 was the year of the blush. I need to talk about the Laura Geller blush. I bought this on Prime Day, and it was the only way that I could justify to myself to buy this blush because I would not buy this on full price. But holy moly, do I like this blush. If I didn't have the luck to go to Amazon on Prime Day, and for some reason the algorithm showed me the Laura Geller blush that was on sale, I would not buy that. I feel like that blush was just, luck. That was it. This one, however, is more realistic to me and my everyday life. I'll give my my 2024 favorite spot to the Millennium blush. This blush is gorgeous. Are you guys seeing this? It's a baked powder blush on the shade Rose Doro. Out of all, all the liquids, all the creams, I really like the powder one. It's almost like a highlighter and blush at the same time, and I feel glowy when I apply this blush. That's why I like it so much. I divide drugstore makeup on really affordable and on the side that I want to spoil myself. This one is definitely spoiling myself. I use this highlighter very sporadically because, again, the place that I go to the most and that I wear the makeup for the longest is at work. And I avoid wearing highlighter there because I will sweat and I feel like highlighter only makes it worse. Like, the look of it. You can't even see that I used it already. Catrice was a 2024 find for sure. I never tried the brand before this year, and I don't even know where they sell in store because I only buy it on Amazon. How sad is that? Do you see? It still looks like I never used it. This brow pencil is $3. It surprised me, okay? Because it's LA colors. You'll find LA colors at the Dollar Tree. I underestimated this by a lot. Let me show you guys. The shape of the pencil is a triangle. Do you see it? So it's super easy to apply. Okay, this one is also an Amazon find. It's one of those questionable stores that you don't even know if you are gonna get the item. It's an eyeliner stamp, and I really like it. Actually, before I do the eyeliner stamp, I want to apply a little bit of the highlighter and a little bit of the blush to my lids, and then I'll do the stamp. This is the best thing that I would have ever done. Let me do it and I'll be right back. The other side is pretty firm. I have hooded eyes too, so this tip helps me see the position of where I want the liner to go. I think mascara was one of the items that I tried the most throughout 2024. I have a few mascaras that I use. I think it's one step in makeup that allows you to use one and then the other, depending on the day, depending on your mood. I will give my favorite title to the CoverGirl Lash Blast Cleantopia mascara. It's not the only one that I use, but it's one that I really like. So this is a nice memory related to this one. It was because of how I was looking for a good mascara this year that I came back to YouTube and I recorded a shorts rating this mascara. Funny to see that it ended up at my favorites video. Because if I remember it correctly, I didn't review this favorably, but it grew on me. It's one of those items that grows on you after a while, I guess. Also, let's not forget that CoverGirl gives so much coupons that you can buy this at discounted price at almost any given time of the year. Oh, there's only a few items left. I told myself a couple months ago that I was going to give lip lining a try. It's funny because I bought a pack on Amazon that I really like. I had this lip liner on my shelf just waiting for me to find it. I bought in the beginning of the year because that's how long I had been meaning to get into lip lining. And it's the e.l.f. Cream Glide Lip Liner. I love this liner. I don't even remember how much I paid on this. I bet it wasn't that much, and I will buy it again. To have a favorite lipstick is hard, but I need to give it to this Dollar Tree find. Look at that shade. It looks nice, the color is cute, and it feels very good too. Like, look at this. So pretty. I recorded the whole thing for the gloss, and I didn't record it. My favorite gloss is the Clean Fresh Yummy gloss by CoverGirl. And I mean, look at that. The applicator is like nice, and I usually don't like my makeup to be scented, but this is nice and subtle and not on your face enough that I'm okay with it. And it doesn't feel like I'm wearing perfume on my face, especially on my lips. It's nice. I feel like I do need to mention the NYX Butter Gloss because I really like them. I have them in 5 different shades. Unlike this one is the only shade that I have. The NYX Butter Gloss I have in 5 different shades. So they are a favorite, but this one is the favorite, if that makes sense. Those are my favorites for the year 2024. I will bring them all with me to 2025 and share with me your favorites for 2024 as well. Did I mention one of your favorites? Because that would be fun. Tell me which one. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.